Hey woodworkers, welcome back to Tools Informer. Today, I'm breaking down 20 new next-level woodworking tools that I believe truly deserve a place in your shop. These aren't gimmicks, they're precision-built, thoughtfully engineered tools designed to help you work faster, cleaner, and more accurately. In my experience, the right tool doesn't just make the job easier, it elevates the quality of the final result. Let's get started. 1. Lightream Adjustable Angle Fixture. The Lightream Adjustable Angle Fixture is one of those tools that immediately stands out because of its flexibility. What makes this clamp different is its 2-in-1 modular design. You can connect both clamps together to form a multi-angle adjustable fixture anywhere from 0 to over 180 degrees, and then lock it securely using the hinge system. Or you can detach it and use them as 2 independent heavy-duty C-clamps. From a construction standpoint, it's forged from thickened cast iron using an arc-bending monoblock casting process. That matters. It means stability under pressure, especially during welding or heavy woodworking setups. The hinge angle locking system allows quick positioning at common angles like 45 degrees, 90 degrees, and 180 degrees, which is ideal for frame building, metal fabrication, and corner assemblies. I also like the V-groove clamping structure. It grips round tubes, square tubing, and flat stock securely, while still working with wood and plastic materials. For anyone doing welding, furniture construction, or DIY fabrication, this is a versatile fixture that replaces multiple single-purpose clamps. 2. NAFK 1 Radius Roundover Router Bit. A clean edge can completely transform a project. The NAFK Roundover Router Bit features a 1-inch radius and a 1/2-inch shank, making it ideal for large, bold edge profiles. This isn't your small decorative roundover. This is for statement edges on tabletops, countertops, and thick shelving. It uses YG6 tungsten carbide cutting edges with a hardened steel body and anti-kickback design. That's important because larger radius bits can be aggressive. Stability and vibration control are critical. The 1/2-inch shank provides more rigidity and less chatter compared to smaller shanks, especially when running through hardwoods. It's compatible with CNC machines, table-mounted routers, and handheld routers, which gives it flexibility across different shop setups. If you're working with hardwood, plywood, MDF, or acrylic, this bit is built for smooth, consistent edge forming. 3. IMBIT Edge Banding Trimmer. Edge banding can either make cabinetry look flawless or completely amateur. The IMBIT Edge Banding Trimmer is designed specifically to clean up veneer and edge banding with precision. It uses 5CR15 Mo-V stainless steel blades, which are known for good edge retention and corrosion resistance. What I find impressive is the 3-in-1 trimming capability. It works on straight edges, curved surfaces, and different materials like melamine, PVC, ABS, plywood, and veneer. The ergonomic handle with non-slip grip is important because trimming requires control. Uneven pressure can ruin an edge quickly. It's lightweight, easy to maneuver, and designed for chip-free finishing, which makes it ideal for cabinet makers and furniture builders focused on clean, professional results. 4. Seneb 92mm Carbide Forstner Bit. Large diameter Forstner bits aren't common, and when you need one, precision matters. The Seneb 92mm Carbide Forstner Bit is built with 2mm thick YG8 industrial-grade carbide. That thickness increases durability and edge life, especially when boring large flat-bottom holes. With a 92mm diameter and 60mm drilling depth, this bit is designed for heavy-duty hinge recesses, speaker cutouts, and specialty woodworking applications. It's engineered for ultra-high precision with drilling error tolerance within 0.1 millimeters. That level of manufacturing accuracy is critical when alignment matters. Because of its size, this bit works best in a drill press or stable drilling machine. For serious woodworkers handling large boring tasks, this is a specialty tool that expands your capabilities significantly. 5 ECY Cabinet Face Frame Alignment Clamps. Cabinet alignment is one of those tasks where precision determines whether a project looks professional or slightly off. The ECY face frame alignment tool is made from anodized aluminum alloy, which keeps it lightweight while resisting rust and oxidation. It features sliding T-bars that adjust from 2 inches to 3 to 7/8 inches, and it delivers up to 440 pounds of clamping force. One feature that stands out is the built-in drill guide system. You can pre-drill pilot holes without repositioning the clamp, which saves time and improves consistency. The felt pads prevent marring finished surfaces, which is critical when working with pre-finished cabinet frames. For cabinet installers and serious DIY remodelers, this tool simplifies alignment and fastening in one setup. 60 tape digital tape measure, measuring errors, waste material, and material waste costs money. The Tape 1752 digital tape measure brings digital precision into a familiar format. It offers +/1/16-inch accuracy and includes US/metric conversion, which is incredibly useful when switching between plans or material specs. The 3 built-in memory functions allow you to store measurements, which reduces the need to constantly write things down. Its weather-resistant polycarbonate body makes it durable enough for job site conditions. For repetitive measuring tasks, cabinetry layouts, or remodel planning, this tool increases efficiency and reduces human error. 7 Thiantal 9-inch Demo Demon Sawzall Blades. 25-pack demolition blades need durability above all else. The Thiantal 9 by Metal Sawzall blades feature a 6/12 TPI tooth design optimized for nail-embedded wood and demolition work. The bi-metal construction combines flexibility with hardness, extending blade life compared to carbon steel alternatives. They're compatible with most major reciprocating saw brands thanks to the universal 1/2-inch shank. For contractors, remodelers, or outdoor builders dealing with rough cuts, framing tear-outs, or pruning, this 25-pack offers both performance and value. 8 Ultra Shear Spoilboard Surfacing Bit. Flattening slabs or spoilboards demands consistency. The Ultra Shear Spoilboard Surfacing Router Bit has a 1/2-inch cutting diameter and uses replaceable 4-sided carbide inserts. This is a major advantage. Instead of replacing the entire bit, you simply rotate the insert to a fresh edge. It's made in the USA and built for CNC surfacing, slab flattening, and planing operations. For woodworkers working with live edge slabs or CNC tables, this tool improves surface quality while reducing long-term tool costs. 9 Amazon Basics Adjustable Metal Face Clamps. Sometimes simple tools are the most practical. The Amazon Basics Face Clamps 2-pack provide a 3-inch jaw reach and clamp materials up to 2 to 3/4 inches thick. They feature swivel pads to distribute pressure evenly and protect surfaces. Thumb screw adjustment makes them quick to position, especially useful for pocket hole joinery and welding setups. They're affordable, functional, and suitable for everyday shop use. 10 Manova Folding Insulation Saw. Not every woodworking project is solid hardwood. The Manova Folding Insulation Saw is specifically designed for cutting mineral wool, fiberglass insulation, and foam materials. It features a wave-shaped serrated blade that reduces debris and improves cutting efficiency. The foldable design with safety lock makes it safe to store and transport, ideal for contractors working on site. For insulation trimming and workshop finishing tasks, it fills a very specific but important role. 11 IQ Vise 360 Articulating Vise. The IQ Vise 360 Articulating Vise is not your standard bench vise. What immediately stands out is the 360-degree articulating ball system. Instead of being locked into a fixed orientation, you get nearly infinite positioning angles. That's a big deal when you're working on irregular shapes, pipes, carvings, or detailed components. It combines hardened steel components comes with cast aluminum construction, balancing strength with portability. The 8-position locking system can handle up to 130 feet-pounds of torque, which makes it suitable for serious pressure applications. Another smart feature is the double-sided flex fit jaws. One side grips flat wood securely, while the reverse side is grooved for pipes and rounded materials. For woodworkers who also do bike repair, metalwork, or multi-discipline projects, this vise adds versatility that a fixed vise simply can't offer. 12 Tenu plastic biscuit joiners, 40-piece set. Traditional biscuit joinery relies on glue and compression. The Tenu biscuit joiners take a different approach. These are self-clamping plastic gripping plates designed to fit standard number 20 biscuit slots. Instead of glue, they use barbed cross ribs to lock firmly into the groove. That makes them especially useful for workpieces that are difficult to clamp, like vertical installations or composite decking. They're compatible with wood, MDF, plywood, cork, PVC decking, and other composites. For certain applications where speed and convenience matter more than traditional glued joints, these provide an alternative fastening method worth considering. 13 Yanzy 90-degree corner clamp set. Clean 90-degree joints are fundamental in woodworking. The Yanzy 90-degree corner clamp set includes multiple positioning squares in 3 different sizes: 3, 4, and 2.3. They're made from reinforced impact-resistant nylon, which keeps them lightweight but rigid enough to maintain squareness under load. What I like about these is flexibility. They can be used inside or outside corners and secured with spring clamps or F-style clamps. For assembling drawers, cabinets, boxes, or frames, having multiple sizes ensures you're covered for small picture frames all the way up to cabinet carcasses. 14 Goingmake track saw parallel guide system. If you break down sheet goods regularly, precision repeatability becomes critical. The Goingmake track saw parallel guide system essentially turns your track saw into a rip fence system, similar to a table saw. It supports cuts from 0 to 53 inches with micro-adjustable flip stops offering 0.001-inch adjustment accuracy. That level of fine-tuning is ideal for cabinetry where consistency matters. The Smart Zero calibration knob simplifies setup, and it supports both imperial and metric scales. Compatible with major brands like Festool, Makita, and Milwaukee guide rails, this system is built for serious sheet processing. For woodworkers who prefer track saw workflows over table saws, this tool dramatically improves speed and repeatable accuracy. 15 Kreg VersaGrip clamp. 6. 2-pack. Clamps are the backbone of any workshop. The Kreg VersaGrip clamp delivers 300 pounds of clamping force and features Grip Max technology for secure holding. The removable head is particularly useful because it allows the clamp to function as a spreader as well. It's designed for one-handed operation with an easy release trigger, which speeds up workflow when you're adjusting multiple clamps during glue-ups. For general woodworking, panel glue-ups, and assembly tasks, this is a reliable everyday clamp option. 16 Kreg K 4-pocket hole jig kit. Pocket hole joinery is popular because it's fast and strong. The Kreg K 4-pocket hole jig kit is one of the most recognized systems for this method. It offers adjustable drill guides for different material thicknesses and consistent hole placement. The included 3-inch face clamp makes alignment easier during assembly. This system is ideal for furniture builds, cabinets, and DIY projects where strong hidden joints are needed without complicated joinery techniques. For beginners and pros alike, it simplifies structural joinery. 17 Kreg R3 Junior Pocket Hole Jig. If portability matters, the Kreg R3 Junior Pocket Hole Jig offers a compact alternative. It's designed for materials from 1/2 inch to 1/2 inches thick and includes positioning sliders with multiple depth settings. Because it's smaller and clamp-based, it works well for repairs, on-site projects, and quick jobs where setting up a larger jig isn't practical. For woodworkers who want flexibility and mobility, this is a streamlined solution. 18 Kreg Drawer Slide Jig. Drawer alignment can be frustrating without the right setup tools. The Kreg Drawer Slide Jig removes the guesswork by using built-in indexing tabs to position slides accurately. It works with undermount, ball bearing, and epoxy-coated slides. This tool is particularly useful when installing multiple drawers in cabinetry, ensuring consistent height and alignment without constant measuring. For cabinet builders and remodelers, it significantly reduces installation errors. 19 Kreg Shelf Pin Jig. Adjustable shelving requires precision hole spacing. The Kreg Shelf Pin Jig follows the 32mm system and drills 6 perfectly straight holes at 1/4-inch increments. It includes hardened steel drill guides and allows expansion by connecting additional jigs. For anyone building cabinets, closets, or storage systems, this tool ensures wobble-free shelf support and professional alignment. 20 Kreg Rip Cut Circular Saw Guide. Finally, the Kreg Rip Cut Saw Guide transforms a standard circular saw into a precision edge guided cutting system. It attaches to compatible circular saws and allows consistent rip cuts without needing a full table saw setup. It's designed for both left and right bladed saws, making it versatile for different users. For woodworkers working in smaller shops or on job sites, this tool expands cutting accuracy without investing in larger stationary equipment.